Hello guys, it's me Zenith. Today we're gonna learn the size of space by mp1. So the first one is astronaut. So this one is bigger, the whole space telescope. And then I don't know what am I doing, and just one of responsibilities. And this one, space shuttle. And the next one is space station. Like it looks like these panels. I like Kit Kat. I like eating Kit Kat. Alright, Saturn V rocket or Saturn V rocket. And the Bennu is so bigger than these. And then next one is Deimos, bigger than Bennu, the moon of Mars. And then the asteroid 243, Ida asteroid is an asteroid from the asteroid belt. And number 4 is Vesta, an asteroid belt. And this one is bigger than these. And look at these. There are also more. This Ceres, a dwarf planet. It's actually also known as an asteroid in an asteroid belt. It's over here. It's bigger than these, but it's almost bigger. But this one is Makemake. It's a Plutoid, and it's actually beyond the solar system. And the next one is Pluto, beyond the solar system. And Europa is the moon of Jupiter, the moon of Earth, Io, Luna. Alright, this is Io. This is a mostly ghost, but it has a lot of volcanoes. But if I see that Io, I will vomit into space. But never mind. Okay. So the next one, moon of Jupiter. It's the moon of Jupiter. Instead, Mercury is the first planet, and he's the fastest. Mercury, a rocky planet. So the Titan's moon of Saturn is actually so big, but they're like the same. Mars is a rocky planet. It's the 4th planet on the solar system, and the Sirius B is actually a white dwarf star, and it's actually bigger than him. And Venus, what's happening? There are actually three same size. Sirius B, Venus, and Earth. And Venus is the second. Venus is the second planet in the solar system, and Earth it's us over here. It's our Earth. It's where we live. It's actually a rocky planet, and it's the 3rd planet on our solar system. Alright, Kepler 22b, the Earth-like exoplanet. Looks like an exoplanet, but look at these. They're not countries. Wait a second. Okay. Neptune is actually an ice giant. So Neptune is the 8th planet of the solar system, and Uranus is actually the 7th planet of the solar system. It's pretty cold. They're ice giants. And then the largest thingy with rings, the Saturn, like gas giant, is actually the 6th planet on our solar system. And Jupiter is our 5th planet on the solar system. And our Sun is our yellow dwarf star. Yep, very large. And Sirius A is bigger than our Sun because it's so big and strong. And main sequence star. And Pollux is actually bigger than the Sun because it's actually a red giant star or a supergiant. And next one is a Sagittarius. The next one is a Sagittarius. The Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole. It's actually a name of a black hole. And Sagittarius A is actually the name of a zodiac sign, but it's actually the name of a black hole. Arcturus is a red giant star. And Aldebaran, it's actually also a red giant star. And Rigel is also a red supergiant star. And this one, Pistol star, blue hypergiant, the blue hypergiant star. And next one, Betelgeuse is our red supergiant star. We can see it in Orion. And New Scuti, and our red supergiant star. And M87. And our M87. Wait for a second. Alright, let's continue. M87 black hole is actually a supermassive black hole, and it takes so long. Mind seeing. If you see this black hole, you will be dead. And NGC 3842, the NGC 3842, the supermassive black hole is actually more bigger. And the ninth one, and the actual biggest supermassive black hole is star 618. It's actually the supermassive black hole that I ever seen in my videos, and we can see it from Earth, and this is 100% real. And Cat's Eye Nebula is actually known as the planetary nebula. It's actually something. It's actually Cat's Eye Nebula. It forms like a cat's eye. Barnard 68, and or we can call it the Buddhist Void. The Buddhist Void is actually also known as Barnard 68, the Dark Nebula. Ring Nebula. The Ring Nebula is also known as a planetary nebula. It actually forms like a ring. And the Butterfly Nebula is also known as a planetary nebula, but it forms like a butterfly. The Crab Nebula is actually a supernova remnant, and forms like a crab. Next one is a Kepler supernova. Supernova remnant. It's a Kepler supernova. It forms like a Kepler. Tycho supernova. Supernova remnant is actually like a something. It's just like a crazy or something. Just like a seaweed or something. I don't know. Alright. Next one is the Seaweed 2. The dwarf spheroidal galaxy. The dwarf spheroidal galaxy. The Segway 2. It's actually name of a galaxy. It's actually tiny. The Tarantula Nebula. The Mission Nebula. So it forms like a tarantula, and a Mission Tarantula Nebula. Barnard's Galaxy, buried in regular galaxy. So it's also known as Buddhist Galaxy. Fire's Galaxy is actually very cool. It's also known as Intermediate Spiral Galaxy. You know, right? You know that well. All right. Milky Way Galaxy is also known as our galaxy. It's our buried spiral galaxy in our world. It's because this is and this is 100% real that will be approaching to the black hole. But I'm scared it will die. We will die. So Hogg's object, the Ring Galaxy, is actually a type of galaxy. It looks like a I don't know. The Cartwheel Galaxy is also known as a lenticular galaxy. Yep, you know that well, just like a lenticular cloud. Andromeda Galaxy is also known as a spiral galaxy. If you make it to the Milky Way Galaxy and Andromeda, it makes it together. And next one, the supergiant elliptical galaxy, like Hercules A, is IC 1101. It's actually the most giant in our world, and it's actually, I don't know, it's elliptical, it's ovalish, oblong, and as you can see here, it's very tiny over there. These galaxies. All right, finally the local. Okay, guys. So next one is the local group, our galaxy group, and this is where we live. The Virgo supercluster is where we live. Our Virgo supercluster is our galaxy supercluster. And next one is the Laniakea supercluster, where we live in galaxy supercluster. And huge LQG, the large quasar group. The large quasar group is actually very large to us. And then finally, we have the observable universe, and this is where we live, and other objects in the solar system, and stars, and many nebulas, some supernovas, and more. Well, see you tomorrow.